Hi, let's talk about kitchen styling. I want to show you how I styled this kitchen. I'm working with floating shelves, which is really fun if you love to style. If you don't have floating shelves, you're just going to mostly pay attention to this bottom portion. I think all of us have counter space. We just mostly style surfaces. So to begin with, we're going to start over here on this side. We've got everyday dishes right here. And so that way if you're cooking in a stove, you can easily grab something to plate it and then slide it across the counter to your family so that they can eat. I've got plates, salad plates, bowls, serving bowls, everything that I could need. And then I'm using a couple of cookbooks here just to give it structure and help elevate things. Cookbooks are useful in a kitchen, so it's not nonsensical to add a book to your kitchen. And then up top, the less everyday things. So we've got beautiful glasses for when company comes over. You can add a couple of bottles of Pellegrino or wine or whatever that you want to be able to have at your fingertips. Really fun trick for the countertop is our small cutting board. I'm using here as kind of a trivet to hold the salt and pepper shakers, the olive oils, everything I need to be able to cook. I love having this stationed and I think it looks really beautiful too. And then we've got a canister to hold all of our things that we need for cooking, our tools. One last thing, I have the plate here with the dome so we can add cookies to it. And the kids will love that, so super fun. Moving over, I'm using the largest of the breadboards as like a centerpiece and to add something organic to this back wall because everything's a grid and we've got to sort of loosen that up a little bit. These come in 3 sizes and I love the large one here. The cookbook is on the cookbook holder, which I really love so that I can keep hands-free and I don't have to keep trying to keep that cookbook open while I'm following my recipe. The butter dish, the penny lamp. This is super fun. I always have that on in the kitchen day or night. It's like a night light when I get all the lights off at the end of the night. The fruit bowl, this can go here or on the kitchen island. I kind of like having it tucked here in case I want to cook with some of it. And I think it adds a beautiful organic touch. We've got the soup plates, canisters, more cookbooks, and extra truffle oils and olive oils and things for cooking. Still really practical. Top shelf is the pitchers that I only need when company comes over, some dessert dishes, and then just more cookbooks. Really easy, super functional. The thing I would say is make sure and group like things together. It's going to be more useful to you as a cook in your kitchen to be able to find what you need because they're all together in one grouping. And then you don't have to think as hard because you might be in the middle of cooking at the same time. So, and then you're just going to kind of play with height just to keep it interesting. That's how I'm styling this kitchen.